Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your day. Thank you for always giving your feedbacks and encouraging me. So let's see what is in store for you today. Let's pull some cards. Okay, I wanted to pull one card, but two cards have come out. That's okay. Let's see. It's the world and the page of coins. So I feel if you see the world card, amazing day, you will enjoy your day with your partner. At the same time, I feel whatever happens today, throughout the day, you will feel happy, you will feel content, and you will feel that things are going in your favor and you are seeing positive changes around you. Now coming to the page of coins, I when I'm seeing this, I feel you are trying to manage your expenses and your income. Maybe since the month has just begun, you're trying to handle your finances, you're planning on how to run the whole month. So today, sit and plan and see what is your income coming in and what are the expenses which are going out and how you will be handling them, how you will be working out on managing both. Because but somewhere I feel that this month you will be able to save some money. This is what I feel when I'm seeing this card, and you will plan in such a way that some savings is there in the cards. But let's just pull one more card as usual to see work wise. The last card overall, if you see, if I sum up all the three cards, I feel it's a day of enjoyment at work and at home. And again, more like a indication for this card. This card is, you will be happy that you planned wisely, you were able to take the right decision for saving your money, and you will feel happy that whatever you've saved, it is rest assured that you will be getting good benefits out of it, which will actually keep you happy, and which will actually make you feel at peace. Today the color will be red. I feel you need red as you need excessive energies to work on things and plan on things. So today the color will be red. Today also, in the evening when you're coming back from your work, or if you go out somewhere, pick a 10 rupee note and leave it somewhere in the crossroads, or in the garden, or in some park, so that someone will take it and it will be a lucky day for them. When you keep this, don't turn back and look. And today chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.